I love their amazing business class dining services in the air. You should give it a try. Turkish Airlines 787 business flight, 6 lounges. You may enter at Taipei Airport. Their onboard dining is truly a gem. How's the Ferragamo amenity kit?
Hi, I'm TreePapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to TreePapa's channel and good morning from Taipei. Today I'm bringing TreeMama along to fly to Istanbul on Turkish Airlines Business Class. It's time for us to relax a bit and leave our little ones at home with grandparents for a few days. I'm so grateful for their help. To avoid the queue, I booked 1U VIP service. They took us through the secret VIP terminal in Taipei Airport. And even drove us an airport buggy to the lounge. Before revealing the lounges in the TK125 onboard experience, as always, let me share where I stayed recently. Previously, I stayed at the luxury 5-star hotel Intercontinental Kaohsiung, enjoyed the outstanding club lounge services and happy hour premium cocktails, unboxed the high-floor harbor view room with a tasty breakfast buffet at Seed Restaurant. For all the details, check the link below. Turkish Airlines has the widest route network globally. We're flying to Istanbul, staying for a night, and then heading to Nuremberg, Germany to start our Bavaria road trip.
Welcome to TreePapa's channel. Good morning, Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport. Today I will fly Turkish Airlines TK125 in business class. So let's go!
Let's enjoy the lounges here at Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, Terminal 2, or simply say Taipei Airport later in this video. Here's a tip. Though Taipei Airport T2 is a Star Alliance main hub with 4 EVA Airways lounges, but surprisingly Turkish Airlines partners with Plaza Premium Lounge.
Talking about Plaza Premium or Airport Hotel Aerotel, here comes an important travel hack for you. Whether you pay in cash or enjoy credit card benefits at Plaza Premium, you can actually earn extra points on their official platform, called Smart Traveler under the Plaza Premium group. These points unlock perks like free airport lounges, VIP services, airport hotels, and more. Scan my code over there and register now. Enjoy the 150 welcome points entirely free. Now let's get back to the video.
With your Turkish Airlines business class ticket, you can enjoy either the flagship Plaza Premium Lounge, which has shower facilities, or the smaller lounge with better vibes and less crowding. It's up to you. For a complete Plaza Premium Lounge report, check the link below. Additionally, as Turkish Airlines is a Star Alliance member, you can access another 4 lounges for free, and 3 of them operated by EVA Airways. Firstly, I recommend the Infinity Lounge for business class passengers only. It has a premium interior, a better buffet, and even Taiwanese bubble tea. Second, the Star Lounge is another great option for Star Alliance Gold members. The interior is slightly dated, but comfortable. Don't miss the free flow Häagen-Dazs ice cream before boarding. Third, the most basic lounge, the Club, is designed for EVA Airways Silver members. It's less luxurious and more of an express lounge vibe for you to grab a quick snack. By the way, the Garden Lounge you may find out in T2. Unfortunately, that's EVA's top-tier option, only for their own Diamond members. Lastly, it's a hidden gem. You can also try the Silver Chris Lounge by Singapore Airlines if it's open. I managed to enjoy a bowl of bak kut teh there. I'll provide a full Star Alliance Lounges report for business class flyers in a separate video. Choose your favorite for your lovely trip. Now it's time to head to gate for my TK125. Today's flight is on a Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner with 121 business class configurations and features all-aisle access. I've flown their business class on the 777-300 ER, A330-300, and A321 Neo. But this is my first time on the Dreamliner. Let's go.
Business class, gold club members. Business class, gold club members.
Go! TreeMama is in seat 2K, and I'm in 3K. Remember, only even-numbered seats have better privacy as they're closer to the window. Let's take a look what's inside this bag. It's a very thin blanket. Hope this is a business class version. Besides of the blanket, the big pillow has been preloaded, quite soft and comfy with it. I like this adjust headrest feature. The seat is also equipped with a 3-point seat belt. This Ferragamo amenity kit is the key highlight. We'll unbox for you later. In the small storage compartment, the headset is right there with a universal power socket and a USB port. On the other side, cool reading lights can light up the seat for you in the dark cabin. The touchscreen is responsive and does the job. It can adjust the angle a bit, one of a thoughtful design for watching it while lying down. Tray table is cleverly hidden under the screen. Quite neat and sturdy. Footrest area looks a bit narrow. Later we'll take a look. However, the slippers in a shoe bag is definitely a big thumb-up feature. In the document pocket, there's a safety instruction. Life jacket is just right below my seat. Coat hook is right next to the window. The remote control is at the handy location. There are many control buttons with LED lights over there. Looks quite fancy, isn't it? Couple of lights I can manage by here. What's this? Wow, it's a mirror. A pretty nice feature on board. The headset hanger, my favorite design as well. Double sides of armrest. Can put it down while making the lie flat bed later in the air. Noise cancelling headset is under Denon brand. Looks like a sturdy piece of technology. I quite enjoy the performance with it. Let's take a look at this blue Ferragamo amenity pouch. Got socks in it. A Ferragamo facial mist. A lip balm. Body lotion. A toothbrush with toothpaste. It's perfectly fit into the storage compartment. Welcome drinks are served. My favorite, lemon mint, comes with today's menu and wine list. Feel free to pause to view the details. Now let's fasten seatbelts and enjoy the 787-9's engine sound with the Taipei Airport sky view. Before I revealed this amazing onboard journey, and especially the fine dining services in the air,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
on this Dreamliner, the window blinds are electric. Quite nice. As you are flying in business, you can have 1 GB onboard Wi-Fi, or unlimited if you're also a Turkish Elite or Elite Plus member. It's pretty speedy, without much delay. I can view the YouTube video seamlessly in the air. A hot towel and warm nuts start the meal. The table setup is premium with a charming dining light and these cute magnetic paper and salt. Look at this tableware. Can't wait to start with a welcome champagne and a warm bread with balsamic vinaigrette. The chef brought all the delicious starters for all my choices. For appetizers, I had prawn Caesar salad and asparagus soup, while TreeMama enjoyed grilled scallops and vegetable chicken rolls. For the main course, I chose seafood noodles, a Chinese-style dish that was decent. TreeMama's pen pasta was excellent. Most importantly, the dessert, TreeMama had tiramisu, while I enjoyed a fruit bowl, pistachio chocolate lava cake, and traditional Turkish delights, all delicious. Afterward, I had a hot towel, some nuts, and red wine to wind down. The beauty of this seat, it can convert into a comfortable bed with an added-on mattress. Before sleeping, let me review the loo near the cockpit. With both a large and a cosmetic mirrors in place, contactless tap and sink. The trash bin with a foot paddle. This is the best feature in the restroom. Amenities come with the UK luxury brand Molten Brown. 2 types of tissues. A baby changing table, an accessible seat. Toilet cover is there with washlet function. That's all for this loo. Let me get back to my bed. Overall, was nice. Just the foot area is a bit narrow. Snacks are available mid-flight. I chose Turkish coffee, popcorn, and a cup of green tea. Before landing, the second meal has been served. A complete breakfast started with hot croissants and Danish bread, followed by a hot dish with an omelette. When you saw this chocolate box, we are now approaching to the destination, Istanbul. Let me explore another loo at the back of business class cabin, both big and small mirrors in place with a toilet fragrance, contactless tap with a soap. This loo also got a trash bin with a foot paddle. Same Molten Brown amenities. 2 different types of tissues, contactless flush and toilet cover there, with a full-length mirror here. And that's all. In summary, this was a pleasant journey with top-notch dining services. However, the seat design, while good, isn't as great as Apex Suites. Still, with its extensive route network, Turkish Airlines remains an excellent choice for business class travel. Now time to enjoy the landing sound of the 787-9 Dreamliner. As we arrive in Istanbul, your business class journey doesn't end here. Don't miss the priority lane for passport control. After this, I'm heading to Taksim Square, the most famous tourist spot in Istanbul. In my next video, we visited the classic 5-star luxurious hotel at the heart of Taksim, Intercontinental Istanbul. Enjoy their club lounge services, having amazing Bosphorus view from the high floor room, and great facilities in the hotel. How about the signature brasserie breakfast?
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.